what's going on, you guys? I am back. Professor NFT here. So before we get started, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. I apologize. I haven't been here for the last month. I haven't give you guys content, but starting today, daily content is incoming. I'm going to be back on the Discord as well, giving you guys some alpha. So let's get right into it. So this past month, if you guys are wondering what projects I'm really bullish on, we already know the OpenSea integration is coming soon, and some projects will probably end up popping off on OpenSea. Right now, I'm currently bullish on Cats on Crack. Extremely bullish on that. I have one Astros as well. I should have holded two that I did have, but I did end up selling one as well. And as well, I did end up selling a Cat on Crack. There's other projects that are looking good as well. Citizens by Solstead actually picked one up at like 1.1. If you guys don't know who sold Port Tom is, he's one of the guys from Tile Robotics. And we see their price right now. They're at 159. So that is one of the main reasons I got one of those Solstead Citizens. We'll see what the roadmap is incoming. And Cats on Crack as well. We'll see how this project plays out. And Astros, of course, we know Shaquille O'Neal is the one behind this. A big celebrity. So we'll see what happens. All right, so let's go into the project that I will be minting myself, which is Tombstone High Society. Their mint price is going to be at 1 SOL. They are coming out on March 31st. Supply is 6,666. So I really like their mint price is at 1. So recently, a bunch of projects have been doing, let's go on their website here. They've been doing pretty high mint price, but I know this team, they've been working on this project already for like the last 2 months. I've been on the Discord for like the last 2 months and they've been working real hard. I'm bullish on this. We'll see how it plays out. It could be a quick flip, who knows, but is a 1 SOL mint. I could see this going to 2 or 3 right after launch for sure. Let's go ahead and see the roadmap now. We see phase 1. They're going to come out with collaborations with different communities. 101 auction, which is live right now on Magic Eden. I'm not sure where it is at the moment, but we'll probably find it throughout this video. Oh, as you see today, they actually did announce as well Dust integration from the DGods NFT. DGods, their floor price is around 89 SOL at the moment. They acquired DGod 8973. Pretty cool, pretty dope, you guys. Let's go ahead and continue the roadmap here. So after the mint, of course, they are going to come out with staking as well. So their token's going to be called Joints. It's going to be launched on Dex Lab. Bullish on that. They're going to come out with a DAO as well and their own community wallet. 20% of mint royalties as well as 2.5 secondary sales royalties will be allocated to the coffin. The coffin will be primarily controlled by stone skeleton holders. Like I just said, staking is going to be released. Holders will be able to send their stone skeletons back to the graveyard to collect 7.5 joints per day shortly after mint. And holding a stone skeleton with a tombstone shirt or hoodie verified by Solana will allow you to receive free merchandise that will not be included in the public collection. That's pretty dope. That's pretty awesome, you guys. There will be secondary sales royalties as well, 7.5, and it's going to be distributed to the holders, the artist, and the core team. As you see here, their token joins. They're going to have merchandise officially launched on their website for all stone skeletons to purchase. 50% of proceeds will be returned to the holders. And then mutations, of course, stone skeleton will be able to deposit 1,000 of their token in order to gain access. Venture to the sections of the Cavern of Souls in search of mutated munchies. They can't travel alone. You must send your stone skeleton with a bud, but where one of your stone skeletons will be able to return with a mutated munchie. Pretty dope. We have phase 6 as well, community donations to different projects that as you see here. And then phase 6, Tombstone partnership with established growers to breed their own unique community tombstone strain. And then they're going to partner up with dispensaries as well. So we'll see how this project goes. I'm going to mint one for sure. I have a whitelist spot available. So I'm gonna just try to get one, and I'll probably go for another in the public sale. But that's all for me today, you guys. Check out their art. Their art seems pretty dope as well. Discord is currently closed, but this is their art. I am in their Discord as well, but not in this account I have a different account. And to tell you the truth, the Discord is pretty active. It's the community looks strong, and like I always say, if the community is strong, that means the NFT should be strong. For example, let's look at Cats on Crack. Staking did come out, but there wasn't any announcements for like 2 or 3 days, and the floor price just kept going up. So always, you guys, look for long-term investments. Look for good projects out there. Don't mint any random stuff every day. Sometimes the secondary plays are the ways to bring your SOL up. Of course, Atadians as well. They went up today. They went up like by 2 SOL. So those secondary sales actually could do you better than minting projects. So go ahead, check out the Discord as well that I have, Professor NFT's Discord. I'm gonna be showing you guys more alpha. I'm gonna let you guys know more plays. And that's all for me. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.